Coffee enters the body, carrying heat and caffeine inward. Muscle contractions push coffee toward the stomach. Within seconds, coffee reaches the stomach. Heat and acidity activate digestive reactions. Caffeine begins entering the bloodstream. The small intestine accelerates absorption. Caffeine spreads rapidly through circulation. The heart responds by increasing activity. The liver works to break caffeine down. This is what coffee does inside your body.